Hello. Do you have just in case clutter or just in case junk? What is that? You know, the just in case stuff. I'm going to save this extra set of sheets just in case I need them. I'm going to save these old towels just in case we need to mop up some water in the garage. And you know, there's nothing wrong with keeping some extra towels, but you know what I'm talking about. Those mounds of things that you're keeping for just in case. And it's stealing your joy. It's stealing your joy. It's giving you this pressure, this feeling. And when you get rid of it, you will feel so much lighter. So today I want you to look. Remember, I've asked you to get rid of 5 things? Well, make sure you're getting rid of the just in case things too. See what you have that were really being kept for just in case. Today I decluttered some of my own stuff. One of the things I got rid of was a just in case. It was a stock pot, just in case. I live in an RV. I don't make stock in an RV. I'm sure people would. I personally do not. So now somebody's going to be blessed with a stock pot. Okay? All right, so get rid of your just in case and make it a great day.